got
we
here.
just got into this room.
Oh, really?
Like as you guys came in and she was going out, we just met her.
Oh,
And
okay.
just got. She's gonna be our nurse for
Okay.
now.
But you know what? Does this part down your stomach?
Mhm.
Did Nicolay come down?
Not yet.
Not
She
yet?
just got in here.
Well, I thought she was coming earlier, but
She
only if
didn't,
I
she
come
didn't get
down.
the.
This is a bed
She
for
didn't get
him.
the.
Mhm.
We can't keep him.
Yeah. Where is he going to sleep at home?
Out Grandma's house.
At Grandma's house?
I don't think so.
Out what?
In our room.
What?